My name is Shauna and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! So what's going on, everybody? Today is an amazing day. We are in Gran Tarajal. I'll write it down. Please forgive me for my horrible pronunciation. Check out this amazing view. The weather up here is perfect. It's not too windy over here. It's just absolutely perfect. It's sunny. And as you see, there's a harbor over there. How cool is that? So you guys can go boating or fishing. Okay, you don't have any yachts over here, but it's okay. I guess if you want to do like little shipping trips. Could you speak to the microphone? my goodness. It's so beautiful here. Oh my goodness. This is too cute. Again, we are in Gran Tarajal. And this is such a cute little city. As you saw, there's a huge Ferris wheel that you can get on. It's absolutely amazing. And then you got this amazing view. I have no idea what that mountain's called, but this is so pretty here. Oh my gosh, I just love it. Nice. This is my first time here, guys, so I've never been over here. I didn't know it was so cute. I mean, if you look in the travel books, they don't really mention this. I mean, they don't show this part. At least I've never read anywhere about it. They even have a little beach over there as well. How cute. Actually, I was just saying how you can go on the, not go on, but I was just saying how for 2022 you should try out new things and take risks. And actually, I should have gotten on that Ferris wheel. My kids are on there. I decided not to go. I don't really like rides like that, but that would have been a nice challenge for me to get on that thing. Next time. Maybe I'll do it before I leave. Oh my gosh, we're leaving in a few days. I can't believe it. I am so going to miss this weather. Oh, I hate it. I hate it to go. I hate to go. The weather's so beautiful here. Back in Germany, it's really cold and gray. Sunshine really does something. I tell you, sunshine really does something. If you guys have an opportunity, fly down to a sunny place, get some sun. I mean, the sun really just, it makes a huge difference when you're in a beautiful, sunny, blue area with oceans like this and mountains in the background. Oh my goodness. This is where I want to live in the next few years. I definitely want to live close to the beach area. Perhaps I will move to this island. I love it so much. Maybe I will. We'll see what happens. guys, I've been walking around. Let me hook up my microphone real quick. 1 second. Okay, so here's much better, but it's windy. I hope you guys can hear me. Today's a little bit windier. At least over here in this city, it's a little bit windy. In Tarajal. Half man, half fish, or half woman, half fish.